This 2021 CrossRoads Cameo 4021FK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, stovetop burner, smoke detector, Slideout, TV, awning, leveling jacks, Skylight, and 64 gal fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 CrossRoads Cameo 4021FK is 12,846 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.